Oh, can I order an ice cream with a big cup? Sure. Yay. I order a big cup. Okay, the big cup. And I want... Where is here? Orders. Just wait a minute. Okay. Okay, I'm back. What's your order now? I want mint. Okay, mint. And some chocolate with no designs. Okay, chocolate with no designs. And some vanilla with coffee. Okay, vanilla with coffee. And that's it. Okay, here you go. Wait, my money. Okay, here you go. Oh, thanks. Who's next?